Hello, this is part 2. I made a little better than the airsoft shooter. And you know when you shot it, the spring came out? Well, like, I took some, like, super glue, or, like, it was called, like, plumber's glue or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, it was, like, in a purple bottle. And, like, I glued that to the spring. And now it's even more powerful because, like, it's stuck and then it just shoots out more powerful. And I'll shoot it, but I don't know what to shoot it at. I'll shoot it at him. No, not him. Here, I'll shoot it at the wall. You can hear it. Yeah, I shot it. That is pretty cool. And see, the spring didn't come out. And that's all I got.